Hello students, welcome to online class. I am Lakshmi Miss here and today I am going to teach you grammar subject for the class 2nd. Students, in the last lecture what we have seen, remember, in last lecture we have seen the common nouns. And what is meant by common nouns? That is, common noun, it means the name of person, name for person, places, things and animals of a same kind. It means that comes in a generally. Okay, generally सामान्यपणे येणाऱ्या व्यक्तींच्या, ठिकाणांच्या, प्राण्यांच्या आणि वस्तूंच्या नावाला काय म्हटलं जातं? कॉमन नाउन असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू सी द अनदर वन टाइप ऑफ नाउन, that is a proper noun. What we are going to see? We are going to see the proper noun. Before that, what is meant by proper noun? We will see. Look at here. Proper nouns are a special noun or special name for a person, places, animals or a things. Look at here. Proper noun, it means special noun, special name for a persons, places, animals and things. It's special names, it means specific name. And what is most important things, that proper name noun always begin with a capital letter. This is very important, you should keep in mind, always capital letter. The proper noun is always begins with a capital letter. So, special name for a person, places, animals or things. It means what is, students? If persons will take, it means boy it will take. We will take the example of boy. Here is given, look at here. Boy is a common noun. But Rahul is a proper noun. If we will take the girl is a common noun. But Sita, Seema is a proper noun. Did you understand? If we will take a city is a common noun, but Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Bangalore, that is a specific noun or special name. It is name of city, so that name it will come in a proper noun. Then a mountain, we will take an example of a mountains it comes generally mountain. सामान्यपणे आपण सर्वांना काय म्हणतो? माउंटन म्हणतो. पण हिमालय हे काय आहे? स्पेशल नेम आहे, स्पेसिफिक आहे. हिमालयानं म्हटल्यानंतर आपल्याला काय आठवतो? हिमालय पर्वत आठवतो. त्यानंतर केटू शिखर, कळसुबाई शिखर म्हटल्यानंतर आपल्याला दुसरं कळसुबाईचं शिखर आठवतं का? आपण हिमालय पर्वतालाच कळसुबाईचं शिखर म्हणतो? नाही म्हणत. हिमालय पर्वत म्हटल्यानंतर आपल्याला बर्फाच्या पर्वतरांगा आठवतात आणि कळसुबाईचं शिखर म्हणल्यानंतर आपल्याला दुसरं शिखर आठवतं. समजते मुलांना? हे झालं स्पेसिफिक नेम्स, त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं? प्रॉपर नाउन असं म्हटलं जातं. देन वी विल टेक द एक्झाम्पल ऑफ अ रिव्हर इज अ कॉमन नाउन, बट गंगा रिव्हर, नर्मदा रिव्हर, कावेरी, कृष्णा, what is this? This is a specific noun and that is called proper noun. Then we will take a month is common noun, but we will take the example of January, February, March, April. This is a specific names for the month and that is comes in a proper noun. Then if we will take the about the animals, a dog, tiger, lion, cheetah, cat, this is a same kind of animal, that is a common noun of animals. But we will say the Moti, Tommy, Rocky, Simba, that is a name of dogs and that is a specific name, special noun or special name of dogs and that is called the proper noun. Did you understand, student, what is meant by the proper noun? And keep in mind, proper noun is always start with a capital letter. So we will see the exercise of here. Look at here, exercise, underline only the proper nouns in these sentences. We have to see the proper noun and we have to underline the proper noun from the given sentence. So first keep in mind trick that the proper noun always start with a capital letter. It begins with a capital letter and the specific name of person, place, things and animals. Keep in mind the specific or the special names for a person, place, things and animals. Okay, so we will see it. First example is India is my country. India is my country. So which proper noun came here, students? India. What is that? India. So underline the word India. Next is Diwali usually falls in October or November. Look at here, student. What is the second sentence? Diwali usually falls in October or November. So which proper noun it will come here? Diwali, again October, November. So underline these three nouns. Diwali, October, November. It will come proper noun. Then third example, the river Yamuna flows through Agra. Look at here. The river Yamuna flows through Agra. So here is came the name of river. Which river? Yamuna river. Yamuna is a proper noun, specific name. So underline that proper noun. Flows through the Agra. Agra is a name of city. Okay, so it comes in a proper noun. So underline the both word Yamuna and Agra. That is a proper noun. That are the proper noun Yamuna and Agra. Next example, Mary has a lamb named Snowy. Look at here, fourth sentence. Mary has a lamb named Snowy. So which proper noun it will come here? Mary and Snowy. These two nouns are come here, the proper nouns. Did you understand, student? First, in the first sentence, India, it will come proper noun. Second sentence, Diwali, October, November, all are come. These three are come in a proper nouns. Then third sentence, Yamuna and Agra, both are came in a proper noun. And in the fourth sentence, Mary and Snowy, it will come in a proper noun. Did you understand, student? Now here is next question, that underline only the common nouns in these sentences. Look at here, we have to underline the common nouns. So we will see. Look at here. First sentence given, Ashwin looked for his bag in the car. Ashwin looked for his bag in the car. So what common nouns it will come here? That is a car. Okay, car, it will come here common nouns. Next is, look at here, I saw a monkey holding an umbrella. What? I saw a monkey holding an umbrella. What it will come? Monkey it will come and umbrella it will come common nouns. Okay, then next example, the hen is sitting on the eggs. The hen is sitting on the eggs. Hen, it will come in a common nouns, and eggs also it will come in a common nouns. Then next, Hamid is sitting alone on the bench. Hamid is sitting alone on the bench. In this sentence, bench it will come common noun. Hamid is not a common noun. What is this? Hamid is a proper noun. Ashwin is also proper noun. Here, look at here, bag is come in a common noun. So in the first sentence, bag and car comes in a common noun. Second sentence, monkey and umbrella, it will come in a common nouns. Third sentence, hen and eggs, it will come in a common noun. And fourth sentence, bench, it will come in the common noun. Did you understand, students? So what we have learned today, we have learned the proper nouns and the common nouns. What is meant by proper nouns and what is meant by common nouns, that we have learned in this lecture. So always keep in mind, proper noun always begin with the capital letters, and proper nouns, it means the special names for a person, places, things and animals, that is called a proper noun. Okay, students, did you understand? This is all for today, student. We will meet in the next video with a new unit, new content. Till that time, stay healthy, stay happy and keep study. Thank you.